to Ahan's Toys Review.
Hey guys, today we are doing an explosion, a watermelon explosion. As you can see, we've got some rubber bands here, and we're going to be putting them over the watermelon and giving it pressure in the middle so it goes too far down and it explodes. So that's what we're going to be trying to do today. But before we do this experiment, make sure to subscribe and like. If we get 1,000 likes on this video, we'll do another crazy experiment. It's even more crazier than this. Oh, hand puppets. Look at Arjun. He has hand puppets. Hand puppets. Let's start. Let's put our first rubber band over this. And good. One rubber band down. Arjun's gonna put in the second. Look at how much rubber bands we already have on here. Arjun's trying to get one on. I've seen a few other people on YouTube do this challenge and it exploded like a volcano. I hope it happens here too. I wonder how many rubber bands it takes. We've got like 30 or so on here already. We need to add more. Lots of more. Been a while since we started and I have a feeling it's gotten straighter. It's like 80 rubber bands or so, man. Like, that's a lot. My dad's here to help me because it's taking so long to put so many rubber bands on. I don't even know if it's going to explode or not. It's been a while. Will it happen today or in a year? Oh, it's taking forever. Arjun is playing hide and seek with Frank. Headbutt! Now we're putting 2 bands at a time. It's getting dark now, so I don't know if it's gonna pop or not. We've been working for almost an hour now. Arjun got tired and just went over and got some cereal. Did you see any pressure yet? I don't know. I'm clueless. I hope you see some pressure. We need this thing done, and it's getting dark. Let's do this. Let's do this. Look at all these rubber bands we have. Guys, look, it's finally getting some pressure in it. I could see it going in right here, in the middle. It's going, Go like, I'm scared. Rubber bands, get away from me. I can see some pressure now, but it's currently getting dark already, and I don't know if it's gonna pop. I hope it pops though. I just hope. So we bought some more rubber bands since we couldn't fit it. So yeah. Now we got some blue rubber bands, and black rubber bands, and red rubber bands, and green rubber bands, and purple rubber bands, and all those rubber bands. Bro, look at this. There's so many rubber bands. It still hasn't popped though. Ow! That hurts. Bad rubber band. Yahoo! It's already squeezed in a lot. I hope it pops. I mean, like, there is like a lot of rubber bands on this. Pop any second. Oh, I'm gonna try to pack it. Come on, it should work. Why is it not working? I'm gonna put this huge beige rubber band over this. See if it works. That doesn't do it. Come on. Are you ever gonna explode? Come on. This is how it's looking now. It's gonna explode anytime soon. I can see the pressure in it. Oh yeah. The pressure, it's already like bended here because of all the pressure that's going down in the middle. We've been working here for 3 hours. 3 hours. It's like so much. It should definitely work. It exploded! Oh, look! It's literally filling up with watermelon juice. It's open. that's it. I'm not gonna blow anymore. I was like, boo, boo, and he's like, ah! Let's see this clip once again. I was so exhausted, but all that hard work paid back up and gave me an explosion and some watermelon to eat. Delicious. How'd you feel about this video? I did feel good. Do you have any more experiments like this? I love to have adventures, so please comment down below if you have anything crazy like this watermelon explosion. Pear explosion? Oh, that wasn't working. Pear explosion. But comment down below your imagination. Just comment it down below. We might do it in our next video or video after that. Bye. Make sure to subscribe and like. I get one piece of watermelon for every sentence I say. Make sure to subscribe and like.